We told you before about the plum tree, but it is almost strawberry season here at J&J Acres. So if you haven't seen our strawberry beds before, then here is a link to the playlist where you can learn all about how we constructed these beds and why. Last year we mulched them over using leaves and pine needles from out in the woods just to give a covering to the crowns of the strawberries and try to make sure that they don't have any problem overwintering. Now we're starting to pull back the majority of that mulch, leaving just a little bit behind as a covering, but not so that it's crowded up on top of the strawberry plant. As you can see, we're already starting to get flowers, and those flowers are already setting fruit. So we're pretty excited that the strawberries made it through winter, and it looks like we're going to get a lot out of them. Last year we didn't get very many runners, so hopefully this year we can start to see some of those start to spread. We need those baby plants this year if we're going to keep the production up that we want. We don't need these plants to get so old that they start producing fewer and fewer strawberries each year. We also have a couple other issues to address. If you notice, we have a little bit of an ant problem where this little grass is coming up. There's a little ant hill there. But I will refer you back to this video about using orange oil on ant hills as a safe way to make sure that you can deal with ants next to your edible produce and not have to worry about any kind of chemical contamination. So check that out. We'll come back here in a couple more weeks and show you the fruit as it's coming out. But for right now, thumbs up. Things are looking pretty good. Thanks to all of our patrons who have always supported our channel. And thanks so much to each of you who take the time to watch, comment, and share the videos with all of your friends and other homesteaders around the world. We really do appreciate when you take the time to comment down below, because we're only one homestead trying one thing, but there's over 30,000 subscribers out there who are trying other things as well. So don't ever hesitate to tell us how you found an even better way to get it done, because that's what people come to these videos to look for, to read the comments and find out if there are other opinions and other ideas on how to get things done. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. We'll see you next time.